Look at how incredible this spread looks. I am so excited to tuck in. The smells, the scents I'm getting right now is crazy. Like, everything smells so good, and I'm just gonna put this the right way up before it tips over. Oh my gosh, I don't know where to begin. Oh, actually, let me start by telling you guys what we've got. So this is what we ordered, and I'm really sorry and embarrassed that I didn't do like research to learn how to pronounce these words, because they're obviously traditional Greek food, so they're in Greek, and I don't know how to pronounce them, so I'm just going to put arrows so that you guys can see how they're spelled. But I know how to say this. This is just a flatbread. This is like it's like a wrap but with a flatbread with vegan meatballs, chips, and some like veg and some saucy stuff. This is like a chickpea. I believe this is like in my head it's like a chickpea samosa, but I know it's not that because obviously it's Greek. This is a dip kind of thing that will be used eating with the flatbread. This is like jackfruit and mushrooms. And this is spinach, beans, tomato goodness. So I do not want to keep yapping until I put some of this food in my mouth. So let's start tame and let's do the flatbread, because bloody hell, flatbread is so good. That's really good. Look at this. It looks so good. Oh my god. That is divine. Okay. I think this is like aubergine and peppers. I've never tasted anything like this before. This is so good. Oh my god. That is so good. What? Also, guys, look at all these things. This isn't all their vegan options. There is more, but I can't go bankrupt, so I didn't get everything on the menu. I've never tasted anything like this before. This is so good. This would be such a good thing to eat while watching like some Netflix or something. You know, just snacking away. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to save some for when I watch Top Boy tonight. I'm on episode 6, season 2. Let's have some jackfruit, because I've not had jackfruit since video 2 when we went to Mexico and we made jackfruit tacos. Shameless plug, if you've not watched that, here is a link to that video. Wow. This is very meaty. God. No. This might be outdoing all the 8 meals I've made myself so far on our tour. What? That is potentially one of the closest flavours to meat I've had since being plant-based. The texture's not like meat, like I can tell it's jackfruit, but that flavour top tier. I haven't even tried half the things on here, and I'm already going to recommend, if you have a The Real Greek in a town near you, then I highly recommend go to them and buy some food. I feel like, in my head, this is meant to be the star of the show. I think there was 3 options for this. Like, I picked the meatball one, but there was a jackfruit one, and I think there was also falafel, but I was feeling like meatballs, so. At the end, I'll let you guys know which is my favourite. I might rank them from pengiest to peng, but not the pengiest, because I just know everything here is going to be peng. But cheers to the freaking weekend. Cheers to it being Saturday. Cheers to it being our 9th stop on our global food tour, which means this is our last single-digit stop. What? Nah. We going global. Let me get some chips. It's really, sorry, it's really, really soft. I feel like I could just melt away into oblivion. This is so good. That's great. I'm wondering why they put chips in it. You could honestly order just this and be satisfied. I'm gonna try this next. This is good. This is like the sort of stuff I want to eat on a weekday when I'm like in my healthy zone, going to the gym, trying to eat good. Like, this would be perfect. Oh no. Okay, so there's carrots. These beans. I'm not sure what beans. There's obviously spinach, tomato, I'm not sure what else. But it's a really nice, like, subtle flavour. It's not like a burst of flavour. I don't know if it's because I'm Nigerian, but I would eat this with rice, like 100%. Then you could turn just that into a meal by adding some rice. Or by adding some flatbread. Oh, it's good. Right. Just one last thing to try. It's this. I'm thinking about how much oil is in this. Like, you guys see them? This would definitely be just like a treat. Couldn't eat this all the time. I haven't really got to the filling yet, so. But the pastry is really crispy. There's good crunch. And it has flavour. Like, it's not plain. Yeah. There's definitely chickpeas in there. I'm not sure what's in there. What else is in there? You know people who can taste something and be like, there's this, and there's this, and then there's this. I can't do that. I'm already full. How much food's left? I haven't ate half of it. I really don't understand how people eat so much food. Now, these other mukbangers, like, how do they eat that much food? It blows my mind. I want to tap out. I don't think I can go on. This makes everything 100 gazillion times better. Wow. I'll have one more bite or spoonful of everything, and then I'm going to stop. So, montage, please. Sorry if anything looks different, my camera, or my phone, because I'm still filming on a phone, but my phone just died. But we're back, and all that's left to do really is to just say thanks for watching. But actually, no, sorry, I lied. I'm a fibber. So, okay, so let me rate what I think was the best. And I mean, is it really gonna be a surprise? Is it? This is obviously what I liked the most. 10 out of 10. Divine, exquisite, yummy, scrumptious is everything that you are. What's my next? Then it would be the jackfruit and mushroom. I might have a little bit actually. Yep. Then it would be that. Then it would be, do you know what? Then it would be the spinach and bean stew. Then it would be this. And I think the chips, in my opinion, are a bit unnecessary. I don't know what they add, except more carbs. But this was nice. But I think it was definitely my least favourite. Just because it was deep fried, I think I try to avoid like really deep fried things like this, because I just think about it's really unhealthy, and I think that just impacts how much I end up enjoying it. And I find it a bit weird to deep fry chickpeas. Like, they're so healthy. Why would you deep frying them for? Oh, that was nice. Honestly, I think if we were to take the chickpeas out of it, it might not have ranked so lowly. Wow. I don't think I've had chickpeas seasoned this good. No, that is freaking good. What? Before I sign out, I'm gonna pick a video for you guys to watch. So if you haven't already, then go and watch my previous video, and we went to Cameroon and we made some indole with plantain fufu, so you can click that over here. Thank you guys for watching. This was so much fun. There will be more mukbangs on my channel, but primarily it's always going to be cook with me's and then a bit of mukbang at the end. I just prefer that, and it's not as expensive, let's be real, because this was expensive. But yeah, I will see you guys next week on our 10th video. Double digits, baby, double digits. Okay, bye bye. Bye guys. Sublime. Senorita, I feel so around. Dun, 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 dun.